Wacker Chemie, the leading supplier of silicone masonry protection agent, presents Wacker BS Cream, the innovative concrete protection agent. Concrete and reinforced concrete. Over the last decades, these materials have revolutionized the way we build. They were first developed about 120 years ago. Suddenly, architects and builders were presented with materials that offered high compressive strength, flexural strength, and unrivaled freedom of design. Civil engineers have made use of these materials to build impressive structures. But over the years, weathering and the effects of age have left their mark on concrete and reinforced concrete. Repair work is expensive and time-consuming. This animation shows how the damage occurs. This steel reinforcement is encased by pouring a mix of gravel, sand, cement and water, which sets to form reinforced concrete. The high alkalinity of the concrete forms a protective layer around the steel. The steel surface is passivated, but unrelenting attack by weather breaks down this passivation layer. The main threats come from acidic gases in the air, such as carbon dioxide, and waterborne salts, such as chlorides. Carbon dioxide causes carbonation of the concrete. Gradually, the alkalinity is lost, at first only on the surface, but then deeper and deeper into the concrete. When the carbonation zone reaches a steel mesh, the steel is rendered vulnerable to corrosion. Moisture and oxygen diffuse into the concrete, attacking the steel. As the steel rusts, it expands, causing the concrete to crack and spall. Many concrete protection agents are ineffective. For example, film forming systems often flake off soon after they've been applied. They cannot halt the damage. Silicones, a domain of Wacker Chemie. With more than 2,000 silicone products, Wacker Chemie is one of the world's largest manufacturers in this field. It's a leading supplier of silicones for masonry protection, with products characterized by innovation and know-how. Worldwide, Wacker supplies more than 50 silicone raw materials for masonry protection. A major challenge to Wacker's product development team is to find an effective way of protecting structures against moisture. Water, as a carrier of corrosive chemicals, is the main cause of severe damage to buildings. For years, Wacker silicone preservation agents have provided effective protection against damp. They're used at all stages of planning and construction work to combat damage to the building fabric. Now, the Wacker program of silicone masonry protection agents has gained a new and highly effective product, Wacker BS Cream. On structures all over the world, Wacker's silicone concrete protection agents are making an outstanding contribution to conservation. Long-term stability is guaranteed. The structures are able to resist the ravages of weather and the environment. Wacker BS Cream opens up new horizons in the protection and repair of concrete. Just a single application of Wacker BS Cream is enough to impregnate the construction material. The rate of application determines the depth of penetration. The long contact time and the high concentration of the active substance in this low molecular product allow penetration to depths of several millimeters, even into dense concrete. Roughly an hour after application, the impregnation cream has penetrated completely, leaving no trace. The silicone resin network forms a protective lining in the surface pores of the concrete. Wacker BS Cream thus reduces the absorption of water and the harmful substances that it contains. In Wacker Chemie's ultra-modern laboratory, researchers develop and test innovative products. New Wacker BS Cream has all the advantages of tried and tested silicone concrete protection agents, but is much easier to handle and apply, and much more efficient. Penetrates within a short time, depending on the absorbency of the substrate, and cures to form a silicone resin network. Because of its thixotropic consistency, Wacker BS Cream doesn't run or drip off during application. The active substance stays just where it's needed. This bridge in St. Gallen in Switzerland is 60 years old, a testament to the durability of reinforced concrete. But it too has suffered severe damage from the elements. For its repair, Wacker BS Cream was chosen. No extra containers, diluents or mixing equipment are needed. The cream is pumped directly from the delivery drum with an airless pump and sprayed onto the concrete at the desired rate. Thanks to its unique consistency, it's extremely easy to apply. Its high viscosity means there's no waste, even when it's sprayed overhead onto ceilings and under arches. The high concentration of the active substance means that an application rate of only 200 grams per square meter is adequate, because everywhere are subject to continuous attack by weather and environmental effects. Now Wacker BS Cream is opening up new horizons in building protection. It ensures the durability of construction and repair materials and conserves structures for the future.